Good afternoon, everybody. It's filler number 5 for the kayak. It's 10 at $5.50 or 2 for $10. We'll copy our list. Going live. We're live at 121. It's 121. We'll paste our list. Got 10 items on our list. Gonna roll the dice, need a 4 or higher. Gonna roll the dice at 121. Got a 9. 122 9 times. Here we go. That's 1. So we got 10 items on our list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the 8th time, we still got 10 items on our list. Dice calls for a 9. Got Dwayne Grantham on top. Beth Kane on the bottom. 122 for our final time. Good luck, everybody. After the 9th time, we still got 10 items on our list. Spot number 2, Sue Hartley. You are the winner. Congratulations. Here's our verification code. It's 122. We are done. We're done at 122. It's 122.